Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about a general topic. So that is G20 summit. So basically G20 summit is very important under the point of international relations IR. Okay. So for the UPSC CSG exams. Okay. So let's come to the topic. So historical background of the G20. So generally G20 summit, and it was a economic platform just to discuss about the economic matters of each and every country in the world point of view, and to maintain the financial stability and to promote each and everyone's financial stability. Okay, so here it was formed in 1999 and it is its economic platform, and the total member countries are G7 plus G8 plus 12 countries and European Union. And recently in this year 2022 the African Union was also added in the G20 summit. Okay, so here G7 countries are Japan, Canada, France, Italy, Germany, UK, USA. Okay, so these are the G7 countries. So these are the G7 countries, and G8 it became the G8 country in the year of 1998. Whenever Russia was added into the G7, it became and it turned to the G8 countries. Okay, eighth country was Russia, but in 2014, unfortunately, Russia come out from the G8 countries. Okay, the normal position was given to the G7. Okay. So, remaining 12 nations are Australia, Brazil, India, Indonesia, Republic of Korea, Turkey, South Africa, Saudi Arabia, Russia, Mexico, China, and Argentina. So, these are the remaining countries. Okay. So here the European Union total it has 26 countries in the G20 summit, and recently African Union also added in this G20 meetings. So that is only total 51 countries were comprised in the African Union. So it was recently added, and European Union had Charles Michel was the president of the European Council, total European Union Council. So the president was Charles Michel. So he was a president since 2019 onwards. So he was a president of the European Council. Okay, and he served as the Prime Minister of the Belgium also between 2014 to 2019. So in the same way, African Union also it has one president. So the chairperson was Ezaili Asmauri. So he was the president of the African Union. It means total 51 countries it was comprised. Okay. So here, the main important aim to conduct G20 is to come out of the financial crisis. So during 1990s, there was a financial crisis regarding the important things, and not only developed countries but developing and developed countries both are suffered a lot. So that's why just to maintain the stability in economic matters, so developed or developing countries whatever they are, but there is no separate secretariat for this session. So okay, so just to discuss about the economic matters and to promote financial stability and to maintain the well defined economy in the world. So it was started. Okay, so here there is no separate secretariat for working of the G20 matters. So there is a Sherpa. So Sherpa is nothing but every country has one leader to promote their country in the G20 summit to discuss about the matters regarding their country. So that is head is known as a Sherpa. Okay. So here every head from the country is known as a Sherpa. So in our India also we have one Sherpa. So that is Amitabh Tank. So he was a former Niti Aayog CEO. Okay. So actually, so this summit was started this was the 18th summit, G20 summit, 18th summit in this 2023, and it was held in the New Delhi. It is in India. Okay. So this is the 18th summit. So first summit is in the year of 2008. Okay, basically G20 was formed in 1999, and the first summit was held in 2008 in the United States of America. Okay, and second summit 2009 UK. Third summit 2009 USA, fourth summit 2010 in Canada, fifth summit 2010 South Korea, sixth summit 2011 in France, seventh summit in 2012 in Mexico. Okay. So, 8th summit 2013 in Russia, ninth summit 2014 in Australia, 10th summit 2015 in Turkey, and 11th summit in 2016 China, 12th Summit 2017 Germany, 13th Summit 2018 Argentina, 14th Summit 2019 in Japan, 15th Summit 2020 in Saudi Arabia. 16th Summit in 2021 Italy, 17th Summit 2022 Indonesia, 18th Summit 2023 in India, 19th Summit in 2024 in future in Brazil, and 20th Summit 2025 year South Africa. 21st Summit in 2026 in USA. So this is the order. So when it was conducted, it G20 Summit. Okay, and in India in 2023, this is the 18th Summit of G20. Okay.